Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make this wagon and this bunny with items from the Dollar Tree. So I got this wood box and these mini crates. The mini crates came with 4 panels and I took one off because it was too tall for the side of the wagon. And when I did that, it messed up the crate, but I didn't worry about that too much because I liked the way it looked. I didn't want it to look too new. And so I'm painting everything with brown acrylic paint. And now that everything is dried, I'm gonna go back and touch everything up with some black acrylic paint. And once that's all dried up, I'm gonna start gluing everything together. And I also sanded the edges of the box and the crates, just so, like I said, it won't look so new. Now here I'm adding the panel, one of the panels from the crate, as a seat, and I'm gluing the dowels to the bottom. That's going to be the handles of the wagon. So I didn't like the holes that were on the sign because you could see the stick behind it. So I took this twine that came with the signs and I just made a bow and covered the holes with that. So I decided to take 2 lollipop sticks and add them to the wagon because the wagon has a little hole and the grass kept falling out of that hole. So I just covered it with the lollipop sticks. So I cut out this bunny out of foam board from the Dollar Tree. And I decided that I'm going to wrap it up with some yarn. Now this yarn that I'm using, I purchased it at a thrift store. It was brand new and I thought it was really pretty. And it actually came in very handy for this project. And once I'm done with that, I'm also going to add some blocks from the tumbling game or the Jenga game from the Dollar Tree store. I'm going to add them to the bottom of the bunny and also wrap it up with the same yarn.